Welcome to using the grill here at 22 Condo Road, Campton, New Hampshire. As you can see, the grill is placed here. All the grill utensils are here, and they should go back here after finished. Same thing goes with all the tools here. They should be washed, put back into its original place. First, remove all the chairs so that you can remove the grill. Note that you cannot remove the grill without removing the chairs. Step 2. Make sure that the door is locked in position so that way you can easily remove the grill. This is a heavy grill. It does have wheels, but I highly suggest to use 2 people to bring it down to the grilling area. Once you have the grill placed here, make sure you unhinge the safety latch so that this can come down. Now, careful, this will come down as soon as it's unhinged, so make sure you're holding it with your arm. Place it down on the ground. As such, put your foot on this portion of the leg, bring it up, and let it sit inside on those hooks. Next up, make sure you unhinge this so you can open the grill and take this plug off and put the appropriate propane tank attachment. Once attached, make sure this goes in the back as such. Put this down and place one of these tins inside here. The tin is important because the tin will catch any debris in the back and any oil that might go in the back as you scrape towards the back. Once you have your grill set up, make sure you have all your cooking stuff, your tools, your oil, and anything else you'd like. Make sure to not leave any plastics near the edge. It will melt. That goes for this, which is not a cutting board. Do not leave this near the grill. It will melt. All right, next step is to turn on the grill. This knob right here will turn on the grill. Move it to the side a little bit, and you should hear that sound right there. Now, if you don't see flames under here, just go back, do it slowly until you see the flames. Same thing on this side. Once you have all your food laid out in front of you, make sure you leave it on a slightly lower temperature. Leaving it on high, you can probably burn your food pretty quickly. Also, this is provided to you. Please use it in case of emergencies and have it handy on you. Cheers. Once you're done finishing using everything, grilling your burgers, your meat, whatever you're grilling, make sure you turn on the burners, get the grill nice and hot. Go ahead and scrape down all the debris as much as you can down to here where you still have that aluminum foil to catch all the debris. And then go ahead and grab a paper towel, a little bit of oil, and season the grill. The grill is already seasoned, but this keeps it sealed and ready to use for the next time. If you're seeing things like this on your griddle, don't be alarmed. If you weren't able to scrape it off, all you gotta do is you can take the water bottle provided, put some water in there, have the heat on high. Don't be alarmed, this is normal. Then go ahead, use the scraper provided, and do this repeatedly 2 or 3 times until your surface is looking a little bit better. And then, again, once you're all set and done, go ahead, turn the heat off, wait a little bit for it to cool down, and then go ahead and season your griddle with a little bit of oil and a paper towel. If you see that the canister is frosting like this, don't be alarmed. Just make sure you stop using it once it gets really frosty, it's indicating that it's like heavy use. Again, don't be alarmed. Just turn everything off. Make sure you let this thing cool down a little bit. These are pretty cheap. We try to provide some, but obviously we can't provide a ton for a lot of use. And then this will always be on there, hopefully. Try to put this back on after use. Once the griddle is nice and cooled down, ready to go, please go ahead and put it back in there inside the closet. Again, try to have someone help you as it is heavy. I don't want people trying to roll this thing back up. Quick things to note. Make sure it's not raining outside. Don't leave this thing outside overnight. Just a couple housekeeping things. Try to be respectful of it. I do want to maintain this for guests as much as possible, and we definitely want people to come back and be able to use this as much as possible. All right, and to collapse the grill, you bring it towards you. You put your foot down here. Bring it down slowly. And you go ahead and pick it up from the bottom tube. Lay it down on its side. Keep your arm right here so it's resting on it. And just go ahead. Lock it into place. Again, remember, grab a friend and put it inside.